Welcome to the I/O Hub AI mobile web app installation guide for Android. First, go to the I/O Hub AI website and click on the App option. After entering the website, you'll see two options. You can either create a personal account or sign in using your Google account. When you enter the dashboard, you will see an Install App option at the bottom of the screen. By clicking on it, you can download the app and install it on your mobile device. After signing in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Then, double-click on the Control Center. Go to the Control Center to add your devices. In this section, click on Add Device in the top right corner. In the Control Center, click the gear icon on the right to open settings. From there, you can change the background color and font style. To add your device, you have two options. You can add it manually, or scan the barcode provided in the product box or sent to you by email. You will receive two barcodes, one for the device ID and one for the activation key. Scan each one in its correct field and make sure not to mix them up. Once your device ID is entered and the device name is set, you can choose from different icons in the icon selection section, or use a custom icon URL. In this section, you can customize the background color and the font. For the device you've added, there are several default templates available, and you can choose one of them. After entering the Setup Device section, you can complete the setup in two ways, by scanning the barcode provided, or by entering the code included in the box. After scanning the barcode or entering the activation key, you'll be taken to the Wi-Fi section. Enter your SSID or Wi-Fi name, which is your network name, and then your Wi-Fi password. If your phone is using mobile data, turn it off before continuing. Then, connect I/O Hub AI to your Wi-Fi network. If this is your first time connecting to I/O Hub AI, enter config123 as the password. If the connection to I/O Hub AI is successful, you'll see a configuration sent successfully message. Then tap I reconnect to my Wi-Fi and select Send configuration. On the next screen, double-click an icon to apply it. At this stage, you can customize your template. At this stage, you enter the template. To do this, click the Edit button in the top left corner, shown as a pencil icon, to enter edit mode. After entering edit mode, you will see the Send to Device button in the bottom right corner. Click on it. After clicking Send to Device and pressing Next through the steps, you will reach the final confirmation stage, and the device setup will be completed. In this step, there are three buttons in the top right corner. Click the middle one, which is the View or Preview option. To ensure the configuration was completed successfully, click the Home button in the top left corner to return to the Control Center. Here, your device ID should display a green check mark next to it. This indicates that the configuration was successful. In the next section, click the Sync button in the top right corner to activate your sensors. Here, go to the second option in the top left corner. This section allows you to send direct, private messages to the device. Next, tap the pencil icon in the top left corner. This will open a section where you can choose from different templates on the left side of each row, such as switches, telemetry, graphs, smart logic, and plates. By double tapping on any icon, such as power device, temperature, fan, or humidity sensor, you will enter a section where you can select the GPIO connected to your ESP32. In the next screen, you can choose or change these pin assignments. In the next section, called Configure Widget, you can customize your widget settings. You can change the label name, adjust its size, choose different icons, and enable the Use Custom option to add an icon via URL. You can also change the color, as well as the font color. In the final step, for each toggle state, on and off, you need to define a command that will be sent to the device. Each switch should have its own specific command, and each switch must use a unique key. Now, by editing a telemetry item, you will enter a page where you can select the source. This means choosing your sensor type and selecting the corresponding GPIO pin. Then, click Next to continue. In the next, Configure Widget section, you can set the sensor name and select the measurement unit, for example, Celsius for temperature or any other unit depending on the sensor type. You can also adjust the size and use label selection options. There are categories available to help organize the widget. In addition, you can enable Use Custom Icon URL to set a custom icon. You can also change the background color and font color. Finally, the key defines which sensor is being used, such as temperature or any other input, and the unit specifies its measurement unit. For state-based devices, such as pins or switches, we use this section to configure their state labels. For example, we define the high state label and assign its corresponding GPIO pin. Then we define the second state label, such as low, and assign it to another GPIO pin. Finally, we click Next to continue. In the configuration section, you can adjust various settings such as properties, monitoring options, and the label or name. You can select and edit icons, customize them, and change the background color as well as the report color. Additionally, you can enable and schedule actions using the Enable Schedule option. In the final step, for each toggle state, on and off, you define a command that is sent to the device. Multi-specific switches share a single unique key. In this section, you can control the fan speed by selecting low or high, and turn the power on or off using the switch. After activating our devices, we return to the dashboard and click on Settings. In the Settings section, you will see options such as Account and Notifications. In the Account section, you can enter your personal details and customize your profile to create and manage your own account. In the Notifications section, you can see the status of all your devices added in the dashboard, including message usage, sent, received, real-time, remaining quota, and device states such as active, expired, or reminder. A progress bar shows your usage, changing color from green to red as you reach the limit. If the device becomes expired or reaches the limit, you can click it to purchase a new bundle.